In this video, I will show you how to verify your Hostinger Builder website in Google Search Console. I am now inside my website builder in Hostinger. And to get your exact domain name, click on this address, then copy this domain name and go to Google Search Console. First, go with a URL prefix instead of domain, and this is a critical step to not avoid. Then fill in your exact domain name and hit continue. As you can see, you can verify your website ownership using different methods. We will go with the HTML tag. Now, to copy this text, just click on this copy button. Now, head back to Hostinger Website Builder and click on Website Settings. Then Integrations. Then click on Connect next to Custom Code and fill in your code. And don't forget to save your changes. And after that, update your website to reflect your changes online. Now that my website changes are published, let's go back to Google Search Console and click on Verify. As you can see, the first try didn't succeed. Just repeat the process. Click again on Verify. And as you can see, my ownership is verified now. And this is how to verify your Hostinger Builder website in Google Search Console.